This is an interesting angle that we've never had before on my channel, ever in the history of time of my channel. I didn't mean to do that. It's 2 o'clock in the morning and I need help to calm down. I also really hope you can't see the mess that is my room because like my phone is kind of tilted up, so like you can't see the floor. The floor is really disgusting. There's literally a pile of clothes right here. Yeehaw everybody, it's me, Leah. Welcome back to my channel. I'm not doing the thing. I'm not doing it. I've canceled it. It's over. It's over now. Sorry.
No, I'm not.
If you read the title, which I hope you did, because that would mean you can read, and I'd be very proud of you for being able to read. It says that I am fixing all my wigs, organizing my wigs. You might be like, Aliyah, what are you talking about? Like, you wear a red wig and a pink wig and that's basically it. Well, yeah, I do right now, but I have 6 wigs. Just 1 second. Yeah, these are my wigs. As you can tell, they look atrocious. Let's show you them all. Well, obviously, first we have this one, and it's red. And everyone keeps calling me Ariel when I put it on, or Jessica Rabbit, or freaking anything that has red hair. This one came wavy and stuff, and then I straightened it, but it was like still wavy because I didn't really try. Look at the ends, they're like really frizzy. These are all synthetic, so like they're not the best quality. And this one's the pink one. I wear her all the time too. This one was my sister's, and it's like, I don't even know what color this is. Okay, besides the pink one and the red one, the rest of these have literally all just been sitting on my bedpost, like just chilling, being neglected for like probably over like a month and a half, probably almost 2 months by now. This one's just like kind of a cute little brown moment, like kind of orangey, whatever. I literally have no idea what color that is. We have this one here. It's like this nice teal, cool, like it's like a cool teal color. It like starts black and then it fades to teal. And this was also my sister's, but she didn't like it on her head, so she gave it to me. And I was very grateful because it looks fantastic on me. I have this blonde one. I really need another blonde wig because the parting of this is so bad. Also, just look at... Yeah. Last but not least, this one is really a nice wig. And the color is so nice. This one's like a nice mauve color. I really just... freaked up with this. As you can tell, I take terrible hair. Okay. As you can tell, it's 2 o'clock in the morning, okay, just bear with me. I take terrible care of my wigs. See, listen, story time. Why do I keep clapping so loud?
My lips look like a butthole.
The reason I wear wigs is because I hate doing my hair, and also because like I shave my head. If you want to see what I look like with a shaved head, you can go back to my videos from October. I did a video where I showed you my bald head and it was really great. Wigs are like my easy way out, but the problem is that you still have to take care of wigs, and that's still something I haven't accomplished yet. So like, I'm gonna fix all my wigs. I'm gonna like brush through them thoroughly, and I'm gonna straighten them, and if they need like to be clean, I'm gonna wash them tomorrow. You don't want to watch me wash my wigs because like that's literally, I'd have to get naked for that because I would probably just take a shower when I do it. And I already showered tonight, so I'm not gonna shower again 6 times. You're gonna see me straightening and brushing and crying through this whole process because I kind of need all my wigs to be neat because I'm planning to do something with them in a couple weeks when I might possibly go on a trip somewhere to 2 places, kind of, sort of. You'll see. I hope you're excited for this. I think I'm excited, but I also hate doing hair, so like I'm probably gonna cry at some point. This is my red wig, and I'm just gonna straighten her because the waves are great, but they tangle because this is obviously a synthetic wig, and at the bottom it gets kind of frizzy. I just wanna brush through it and straighten it. Yo, just want to say before I start brushing my hair in this video, the wigs aren't crunchy. The material of the shirt I was wearing is like really rough, so the brush was like literally making like an aggressive that noise. So like, sorry. So guys, how have you been doing recently? I hope you have all been doing well. I, as of this week, have been doing quite well. Last week was another story. I was not okay. Why? I have no idea. You all are gonna roast me for how I straighten wigs because I don't layer it. I don't do any of that, which is why these wigs probably look so freaking bad. Well, like, I already told you, I hate doing my hair, so like, what more would you expect from me? Effort? You'll never get that when it comes to hair. This is already going terrible for me. I'm already tired of this. Just doing hair is so annoying, like, ugh. Do you want a time lapse, kids? You're getting a time lapse. Hi. So I straightened this side. This looks a lot better than this. I'm already completely over this. Okay, well, let's talk about something. Life is kind of crazy, huh? You ever just live life and you're like, life be crazy, bro. My mirror light is beaming into my soul. I would like to stop doing this immediately. I really want to get a ginger colored wig, even though I just got this red one, because I want to look like Zendaya. Almost literally stuck my hand in between that. The video would have literally been canceled. I can't wait until this is freaking over. Look how bad this is. Ready? This is the last section. This is the last piece of hair. The red wig is now officially done. Just so you know how long that took me, I started this video probably around 2:10. It's 2:50. Basically what I'm picking up is that this is all going to take almost an hour, 40 minutes. That took me 40 minutes. So whatever 40 times 6 is, let's do the next wig. 1, 2, 3. I don't think that worked. You guys have to just accept the fact that I'm gonna look crazy during most of this, okay? I have been making TikToks recently. I even made one about One Direction for One Direction Day. Not One Direction Day, but you know, like their 9-year anniversary. Obviously, One Direction was like, they were my base. This one's gonna be a lot faster because it's not as much hair as the red one. I think the red one has so much hair. So when Zayn left, bruh. Ew, since when do I say bruh? Okay. I was at school and I was in my science class freshman year. I was on Twitter and I just saw everything about Zayn not being in One Direction anymore. Like, I was like freaking out in the class. My teacher was like, they're not going in One Direction anymore. And I was just like, so baby, hope. You know, I can't sing that on YouTube because apparently now you can't say anything. If you say the word Barney, Barney's probably gonna come sue my ass. How did we get here? The heat of like my light and this flat iron is just exhausting. It's truly a hot girl summer, guys. Am I the only one who keeps seeing these stupid pampering commercials? Y'all, I just popped my neck and it popped so thick. I just said my neck popped thick. Honestly, kinda stan. Yeah. Last trend. Let's do it. Intense music, please. If you ain't it off the pot. I keep lifting up my arms and then my boobs are exposed. This wig is done. 2 out of 6. We got a third done, guys. Like, that's so lit for us. Next wig. 1, 2, 3. How did I ever wear this? This one isn't gonna be that hard. It's just the ends that are annoying. This wig is so tight on my head. Just for reference, it's 316, so I got through that pink wig pretty freaking fast. We'll probably be okay. Okay, this one literally doesn't need anything. I might just kind of like brush this one and then like stop caring. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. Cause literally, look, it's fine. It just literally needs to be brushed. I might just do like some quick little flat iron strokes. Speaking of strokes, there used to be this show and it was called Different Strokes, and I'm literally so dumb. I'm gonna blame it on the fact that it was 3 in the morning, but the show was literally called Good Times. Different Strokes was about 2 kids and a white dad. And I don't know where that came from, but I'm talking about a show called Good Times. Okay, bye. There was this character in it, and he was the dad. I found a picture of me from when I was a child. I don't remember being that ugly whenever I was a child because I really wasn't. It just wasn't a good picture for me. My teeth were this big. I was probably in like kindergarten. My smile was just so ugly. Honestly, I don't like smiling anyways, so seeing that was like my worst fear, and I literally looked like the dad. For reference, people say it's not true, but like it's literally true. This is like me facing my fears. I hate doing hair stuff in front of people because I know that I suck at it. So I'm like,
don't watch me do it.
Wait, this might not actually take that long. That took me about, I think, less than 10 minutes. So I'm extremely happy. I just look so normal. Hi, I'm an ordinary girl. I could just be a mermaid from H2O. Cleo, no! Cleo, no! I'm a mermaid. You can't throw water on me. I've been seeing a lot of H2O TikToks recently.
I'm an ordinary girl from the streets where underwear.
Next wig in 3, 2. Literally don't know how I wore any of these wigs without getting like chronic headaches because I love the color of it, but I just forever will hate that part because it literally didn't even come with lace. This one's pretty raggedy. I love doing this. This is just what I want to do. When I have to get stuff done, I have to make it a video or else it will never get done. My fingers are also blistering because of how aggressively I brush my wigs. It's not good for me. No, no. It's not good for me. No, ma'am. No, it's not. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's 4:21. Haha, I got you there. And I just took a nap because my mirror thing needed to get charged. So I just took a nap so I could have some sort of energy in my body. Fourth wig is literally done. Next wig in 3, 2, 1, 3. So this is the teal wig, and I think it looks really cute on me. I don't think this one needs a lot of straightening either. It's just kind of frizzy at the end. So I'm just gonna go over it a couple times, and then like, we'll be done, bro. It'll be all good, bro. Y'all, I saw Lion King last night, and it was so good. I literally cried whenever Mufasa died. I was not happy because I was like, Simba does not deserve this. We're done with the 5th wig. We have one more wig. Let's get it done. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, this wig is super tight. I've been thinking about dyeing my hair because if it's ugly, I can just shave it again. She's not even that messed up right now. She just needs to be brushed out. I feel like this one might need to get washed because it just feels so frizzle-frazzed. That was literally as much as I'm willing to do. And suddenly, all of my wigs are way better than they were before. That's literally the whole video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope it's entertaining for you guys. My voice is gone for some reason. Tell me which wig is your favorite wig. My favorite wig is my pink wig right now, but like it changes all the time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that bell button so you're notified anytime that I post. Thanks for watching me organize all my wigs. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.